The NIH, the National Cancer Institute, the American Institute of Cancer Research, and even the American Heart Association have said that soy is safe. We really need to educate the public, the doctors and the medical establishment in particular, about the safety of soy. There are numerous studies, including there's a couple of clinical studies that have recently been published involving at least 5,000 subjects showing that soy is safe, especially for breast cancer. In fact, it was protective against breast cancer. And a lot of the myth associated with the effect of soy and breast cancer, increase in breast cancer incidence, is based on the work done in mice by this professor at University of Illinois called Dr. Helfrich in early 2000s. Even this professor, 10 years later, after looking at the data, is now telling people that he was wrong in trying to say that soy is bad for you based on the experiments in mice, because when you look at the estrogen receptor in mice, it's different from the estrogen receptor in humans. So the effect of the soy phytoestrogens in mice, although it's promoting breast cancer cell growth in mice, is actually different from its effect in humans. In humans, it's actually protective, like this drug called tamoxifen, which is they consider it as a selective estrogen receptor modulator, which is the same mechanism as the phytoestrogens found in soy. That means it's protective against breast cancer. So this professor actually changed his tune. But the problem is people still looking at the data that's been done 10 years or 12 years before, saying that soy can promote breast cancer. But again, the NIH, the National Cancer Institute, the American Institute of Cancer Research, and even the American Heart Association have said that soy is safe. Even celebrity doctors were saying that soy is safe based on those human clinical trials, especially the last 2 human clinical trials done. And so if there's somebody, if a doctor or somebody in TV or in the internet saying that soy is not safe, what I would suggest for people is to ask them for data to support their claims, because really the recent human clinical data shows that soy is safe and it's protective against breast cancer.